Hello, my name is Max. We're talking about Textiful today, and this is going to be quick. This is a very simple little tool. Textiful is really fun. It does one dang thing, and it does it really, really well. If you do social media, public speakers, if you host events, if you're anywhere, right? Podcasts also, that's really interesting. If you're doing any of that, right? Have you ever seen those like text Max to 5866, right? And get started with our product, or we'll grab your email address and we'll send you information about the product. It does that, right? And so if you're doing speaking gigs, if you're doing events, if you're doing anything like that, virtual or otherwise, you can just give people everywhere a really, really easy way to sign on to your email list. Don't send them like a URL. Don't send them anything complicated like that. Just have them text, Max to 5563, something along those lines, and then they get a little thing that grabs their email right over text. It's super, super user friendly. So really, really fun tool. I've used this before. Works like a charm. It's excellent. So check it out. Level up some of your, follow up for larger events with this tool. I'll see you in the next episode. Let me know if you have any questions.